This video is about solving right triangles by SOHCAHTOA. Part 2. Find the missing sides. Make your answer in 3 sig figures. Let's talk about this SOHCAHTOA. So means sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Can means cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Toe tangent equals opposite over adjacent. For question 1, first of all, we need to label the sides with variables and values. Opposite, hypotenuse. So OH means sine. We got to use sine 70 degree equals O over H. O is X, H is 7 over 1. Then we got to use cross multiply. Here is the rule for cross multiply. A over B equals C over D. A and D on the same line. B and C on the same line. Here is the rule. A equals the same line go to denominator. D is a denominator, then BC. B equals C is on the same line with B, so go to denominator. AD go to numerator. D equals A go to denominator, BC. C equals B go to denominator, AD. Therefore, 1 and X on the same line. So we have X equals, denominator is 1, 7 times sine 70 degree equals, go to calculator. First of all, click here. We need a scratch pad. Go to menu, actions, clear the history. Click here to get this degree. 7 times trig sine 70. Enter. 6.58 is the answer. Let's go to question 2. Label the sides with variables and values. Hypotenuse, opposite. OH is sine. Sine 65 degree equals O over H is 10 over X over 1, cross multiply. Then X equals the same line go to denominator, sine 65 degree. 1 times 10 is 10. Let's go to calculator. Control divide. 10 over, go to trig sine 65 degree. Make sure this is a degree, then enter. 11.0 as 3 sig figures. Let's go to question 3. Label the size, cross, opposite. The other leg is adjacent. OA go to tangent. Tangent 24 degree equals O over A is 4 over X over 1 cross multiply. X equals, same line go to denominator, tangent 24 degree as the denominator. 1 times 4 go to numerator. Let's go to calculator. 8.98 is the solution. Let's go to question 4. This is the opposite. We don't label. The other leg is adjacent. Hypotenuse. AH is cosine. Cosine 55 degree equals A over H is X over 20 over 1 cross multiply. X equals, denominator is 1, numerator 20 times cosine 55 degree. Let's go to calculator. 11.5 is the solution. Let's go to part 3. Find the angle with the question mark. Make your answer in 3 sig figures. First step, we need to label the size with the values. Cross this question mark is opposite. The other leg is adjacent. This is a hypotenuse. AH go to cosine. Cosine theta. Let's make a question mark. Theta equals A over H is 6 over 8. You don't need to reduce. We can use a calculator to get the answer. So theta equals inverse cosine of 6 over 8. Go to calculator. Make sure this is a degree. Go to trig. Inverse cosine is this. Then control divide. 6 over 8. Enter. Answer is 41.4. Answer is 41.4 degree. Let's go to 6. Label the size with the values. Opposite. The other leg is adjacent. OA. We got to use a tangent function. Tangent theta equals O over A is 68 over 51. So theta equals inverse tangent of 68 over 51. Trig. Inverse tangent. Enter. Control divide. 68 over 51. Enter. Answer is 53.1 degree. Let's go to question 7. Cross is opposite. This is a hypotenuse. OH go to sine. Sine theta equals O over H, 16 over 34. So theta equals inverse sine of 16 over 34. Enter. Answer is 28.1 degree. Can you work out question 8 by yourself?